Hello everyone and welcome back to the Vintage Vacuum Cleaner Deep Clean test. In today's video we have a bit of top tier German quality from 1980, the Miele Deluxe S125 stick vac in beautiful avocado green. Oh, you couldn't ask for more, could you? Look at that colour, it's beautiful. Going to be interesting, this one. I wonder how it's going to do. I think that this is the first straight suction stick vac that we've tried on this test. I think personally it's going to do a pretty good job. That cleaning head right there is a nice head. That is good. It does its job well. But there's only one way to find out, and that's test. Step 1. Thoroughly clean the test carpet with the Shark AX950 UKT. Step 2, weigh out exactly 100 grams of sand. Step 3, sprinkle the sand onto the test carpet. Step 4, agitate the sand into the carpet using a brush. Any sand that comes outside of the game area is pushed back in. And we are ready to test. Okie dokie, let's weigh the Miele's bag, and that comes in at 70 grams. Write that down. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? S125, are you ready? Let's do this thing. Alexa, timer, 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Stop. Okay, let's weigh the bag and see how much we got. Right, here we go, exciting. Let's see, what did it do? We started at 70 and we're now at 164. Ah, interesting. Well, a great result for our avocado Miele. 94%. Now you can't go wrong with that. That's really, really good. From a straight suction machine with a 700 watt motor, twin fan, of course. Again, it just goes to show you it's airflow that makes the difference. If the machine can move the air, it will pick up that sand. And I think that was the problem with that original TURBOPOWER that we tested. Although I am going to do a retest on that. It just didn't seem to pick up as much as I thought it would, and I think it was because of a lack of airflow. But anyway, that's the story for another day. Congratulations, S125, you've done a great job, and I'll see you guys in a future episode. You take care, bye.